Yeah. Coffee. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the blog. Today we're gonna be doing an update on the E30 project. An update, pretty much. Some good things coming for that car this year, but I think it's time to start it. There she is. Pretty much became a storage. So we have to remove all this.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Starts, but engine is no good. So we're gonna be removing that engine and putting the engine from that to this car. This is the parts car that we are removing the engine from. It's a 1990 convertible 325i. Mostly an update on just the project, but we will be starting the swap either tomorrow or possibly in the upcoming days or week. So stay tuned, guys. I will be doing more daily blogs or videos on the process of this car. My plans for this are to at least get it running with a new swap and a new paint job, possibly suspension wise, but that is the goal for the end of the year. And hopefully we get it to what I want it to look by the end of the year. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys later.